Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to send an SOS emergency details to your contact on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you've dialed the SOS emergency number by tapping 5 times here, you'll be connected to the emergency line, so like the fire service, ambulance staff or the police. You can also at the same time make your phone send a message to an emergency contact on your phone. So let me show you how to turn that feature on. So first, go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings at the top right, scroll down until you see safety and emergency, tap on this. Now from here, find emergency SOS. Now scroll down until you see send SOS to emergency contact. Go ahead and turn this feature on. Now go ahead and read about it and tap more, continue. And now you can go ahead and share your emergency details with the emergency contact which you have set. So currently I've set my wife as my emergency contact. This will basically share my location and other info with your emergency contact to let them know that you need help. You can also share your surroundings, so it can take pictures for you, and also it can attach audio recording. So if you agree with that, go ahead and tap on start emergency sharing, and this will basically set the emergency contact as the emergency sharing contact. So there you go guys, that is how to set emergency sharing on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.